and Festival Management course in Edinburgh University, Scotland. Coming up to the bachelor degree, I completed my bachelor's in marketing, affiliated to Karthika University. I secured University Gold Medal from Karthika University in 2014. Coming up to my professional journey, I worked as a business development manager for Radiant Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It is truly honoured to have here today as judge at Loyola Academy. First, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the faculty, organizers, students for extending this wonderful opportunity to me. Loyola Academy has always been a place known for nurturing talent, fostering creativity, and encouraging excellence in education. I feel privileged to be part of this event. Once again, thank you for welcoming me so warmly. I look forward to being part of this inspiring journey with all of you. I can say all in one word, Loyola students are the key takers of future entrepreneurship. Thank you. So I am presenting business canvas model on eShiksha. So you can follow my canvas model if you like. Would I like to present? Would I like? Coming up to eShiksha, customer segments are working professionals looking to upskill on defects, students seeking practical training, individuals interested in advancing their careers in digital marketing. Value proposition of eShiksha: Learn by You program, flexible weekend workshops, specialization, practical and career-oriented courses, quality, consistency, economical, live project supporting. Channels: online platforms like Zoom and Google Meet for live classes. Reschedule of classes for absent students, customer relationships, direct communication through chat support, feedback driven improvements, personalized plans, and career guidance. Revenue streams: fees for online courses and workshops. Key resources: experienced trainers in digital marketing. Key activities: developing course timelines, conducting weekend classes and workshops, marketing. Key partnerships: collaboration with industry experts for guest lectures, partnership with companies or organizations for practical projects and internships. Cost structure: trainer salary or fees, online platform subscription costs like Zoom, website, maintenance, marketing and advertising costs, certification expenses. Revenue calculation is based on the courses and workshops. Cost collections is breakdown into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are website renewal, marketing expenses, trainer salaries, support staff. Variable costs include course materials and other non-miscellaneous expenses. Profit projections: monthly revenue would be 1 lakh and the total cost will be fixed and variable, so profit will be around 60,000. When we calculate yearly projections, it would be into 60,000 into 12. Growth projections: assumes 10% of growth of students enrollment. The fees increases after the first year, could further increases the revenue and profit margins. Additional costs may after expansion of technology and potential funding resources. Marketing opportunities: post-pandemic shift, adoption of online learning. Many students prefer flexible remote learning opportunities, creating a massive opportunity for online education providers. Global reach: online education eShiksha to expand India and to cater global audience. Increasing focus on digital skills, boom of e-commerce, companies adopting online platforms. B2B partnerships and corporate training activities, certification and career advancement programs, language support team who does not understand topic in English, offering business marketing strategies to understand local markets, micro learning, short and targeted courses, workshops for immediate skills, tying up